Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix service unavailable or try later. If Chase Mobile keeps saying service unavailable, you can fix it unless it's an outage. Steps: first of all, to swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find Chase app and then swipe it away, then reopen it. Next, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issue. Also, make sure you're connected on a stable Wi-Fi so the app runs or operates smoothly. Then turn off any VPN or proxy if you're using them. Also, check for app update. Head over to your app store, search for or click on your profile icon and then see if there is Chase app that is left to update. If it is, then update it. Then go ahead and look up on Chase outage online. Bonus tip: this error appears often during the late night maintenance. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.